Okay, here's the game started. Now leeches use the suspector room type facility. Here we can chat. So some players has disappointed how to chat when during the game. So you can chat here. Four suspectors are playing: Laukush, Unrated, Rahul, J7958. Then Unrated 2 says Philador defense. Okay, now it is a initial position of game. From white, Subramaniam sir plays, and from black, it is Daniel. Okay, here Daniel pin the Subramaniam sir's knight at g4 square, and it is Subramaniam sir's move. Someone says something. Pawn gambler. Go Danny. Okay, it is he is a supporter of Daniel, a supporter of chasers. Okay, best of luck. From here, Subramaniam sir plays bishop to b5, bishop captures at b5, b captures at c6. Now someone says both are strong players. Yeah, unrated says both are strong players. Yeah, both are strong players. Let's see what is happening in the game. Oh, it is an interesting move. Queens are out from the board. I think it is a short game. Both players are play very fast. Only in some minutes here most of the pieces are exchanged. Now Subramaniam sir advantage of 1 point. Okay, someone says something. Don't know about player from chasers. Okay, J9 J7958 says don't know about any chaser player. Okay, I also don't know because we are not a member of chasers. From here it is a Subramaniam sir turns. Black plays bishop to d7. Let's see what's happened. I think sir prefer to do the castle in this situation. Okay, he plays a3. Black plays pawn to g6, attacking that e5 square knight. Let's see what's happened. Now both players have enough time to think and make good moves. Still Subramaniam sir in a advantage. He has an advantage of 1 point. Someone says something. Unrated 20 JB. I am Deepak Kumar. I know both players. Okay, here unrated 20 is our Deepak sir, and he said he know both players. Okay, yeah, here Subramaniam sir done his castle. Now it is Daniel's move. Daniel move his knight at e7 square. I think he is also preparing for castle. Someone says something. He's rating too low. Okay, maybe Daniel is new in the leeches, so that is the reason their rating is too low. Now if you can see, current rating of Daniel is 1320 and the Subramaniam sir is 1830, so it is a huge difference between rating. So let's see what's happened. Okay, here blacks offer bishop exchange. Subramaniam sir plays rook to d1. Narrator said yes, it is too low rating. Here black captures the queen at g3 square. Pawn captures g3. Okay, here it is black's move, and he has an option to capture that d1 rook. Let's see, can he do the rook exchanges? Okay, he moves his knight at a e5 square. It is Subramaniam sir's move. Now Subramaniam sir have a pawn advantage, and maybe using this advantage Subramaniam sir win that game. Let's see what's happened. Both players has double pawn. Subramaniam sir has double pawn in G file, and Daniel have double pawns in C file. Okay, I got call and my data is disconnected. Okay, here rook exchanges are completed. Now Subramaniam sir plays rook to d1 and it is a check. Exchanges are too fast. Let's see what's happened here. Okay, it's a check. Then Subramaniam sir plays b3. Then here comes h5. Now it is Subramaniam sir's move. Okay, someone says something. Only 8 suspectors. Yeah, maybe many of the players don't use leeches. Maybe it is due to this. Now it is Subramaniam sir's move. Okay, someone says something. J975795 says all high rated. All suspects are high rated. Okay. Yes, Subramaniam sir plays knight to a4. Maybe he's trying to attack that a6 pawn. I think Daniel have a network issue problem because he connect disconnect is going on. Okay, Subramaniam sir attack on a6 pawn. That's what happened. Here again Daniel is disconnected. Okay, he moves his a6 pawn to a5. Then here Subramaniam sir plays pawn to a4. Okay, someone says something, that is black going to aggressively. Okay, black playing aggressive moves, but Subramaniam sir is in an advantage. He has an advantage of one pawn, and maybe it is enough for winning. Here Subramaniam sir, I think Subramaniam sir play knight to b7, attacking that a5 pawn because there is no defender for a5 pawn. Let's see what's happened. It is Daniel move. Okay, Daniel played knight to f7. Here chance for Subramaniam sir for knight to b7, attacking that a5 pawn. Okay. He plays up rook to d7 and it's a check, or it's an amazing move. Wow, it is wow move. At a time, what Unrated says, at a time white has no weakness. It is a good position. Yeah, white has no weakness, and now he is an advantage of 2 pawns. From here I think black is in a trouble. If Subramaniam sir doesn't do any silly mistake, then there's a no chance for Daniel. Let's see what's happened in this game. Okay, Daniel plays knight to d6. Maybe he is trying to do something because Daniel c6 pawn is hanging. Someone says something. Yeah. Let's see what's happened. Okay, Daniel is in a trouble. Now Subramaniam sir have a chance to capture that c6 pawn using his rook. Let's see what's happened. It is Subramaniam sir move. Okay, someone says something. Nice game. Good luck to chessers. Okay, here is a chesser fan is come. Name is Richard Drick. So welcome, bro. Now here Subramaniam sir plays rook to a7 and Daniel plays rook to h6. Maybe trying to do something. Okay, Subramaniam sir captured that a5 pawn. Now that a5 pawn is a headache for black because now from here it is able to be a queen. Okay, Subramanian sir gives the check. Rook to a8 check. Okay, maybe he trying to promote his a5 pawn as a queen. Here black plays king to c7, saving his king. Okay, someone says something. 4 pawns versus 7 pawns. Okay, 4 pawns versus 7 pawns. It is a big advantage of Subramaniam sir. Now Subramaniam sir is in a lead of 3 pawns. I don't think from here black have any chance to win the game. Now the game is just a formality because Subramaniam sir is in a huge advantage. The advantage of 3 pawns. It is Daniel's move. Daniel moves his knight to f5. Okay, it is a blunder. It is a blunder. He moves knight at f5 square and here pawn captures that knight. Okay, maybe he didn't see that pawn. Here black plays h4. He is trying to do pawn exchanges in h file. He completes the pawn exchange using his rook. Now it is Subramaniam sir moves. Now Subramaniam sir is in an advantage of 6 points, 3 pawns and a knight. Now it is difficult for black to save this game. Okay, he is trying to capture that c3 pawn using his rook. Okay, but Subramaniam sir don't try to save that pawn because I think he doesn't want that pawn because using that a file pawn he can easily win the game. Daniel again disconnected. Okay, here black plays rook to h4. Now only one square is left for that a5 pawn. Only one square. Then he is become a queen. Okay, with the check, I think Subramaniam sir trying to promote his queen. Okay, now Subramaniam sir's queen back on the board, and from here the game is formality. There is nothing for black. Subramaniam sir in an advantage of 13 points. 2 pawns, a knight, now 3 pawns, a knight and a complete queen. There is no way for Daniel. And no chance for black. Congress Subramaniam. Yeah, and Deepak sir says no chance for Daniel. It is a complete win for Subramaniam sir. Here Daniel have only 2 pawns and a rook, and Subramaniam sir have an entire army, 4 pawns, a queen, a knight, a rook. Okay, someone says something. J79588 said, congratulations Subramaniam sir. Cheers. Chess lovers. Okay, from here Subramaniam sir play rook to d6 check, king goes to h5. It is Subramaniam sir move, Subramaniam sir play queen captures f5. Now attack, black's rook is in under attack. Let's see what's happened. Okay, now from here it is a checkmate threat from black, because if white play queen to h3, then it is checkmate, it is clear mate. Let's see what's happened. From here, if black do any mistake, then it is in a mate. Pawn gambler, chasers will get their revenge. Okay. Pawn gambler says chasers will get their revenge. Okay, let's see in a future games. Now this event is 5-day event, or it is the first day of event. Let's see what's happened in the future events. Now here Daniel's move. Someone says something. Okay, Unrated20 says good game. Okay, he play. Okay, it is mate. No chance of stalemate. Yeah, no chance of stalemate. It is a mate, and here you can see Subramaniam sir win the first game of the tournament, chess lovers versus chessers. Both are great players. Good game. Yeah, good game. So guys, it is just a starting of a wonderful event. If you want to play live chess match in chess lovers, so join our Telegram channel @chesslovers9702. description in the below, link is in below description.